Welcome to the newly renovated Boon Place Food Village. There's a walking tour now. There's a boneless tenders. Over 10 people are queuing right now. There's a fried banana right there, vegan. Hor fun xin zhuo bee hoon, the 意面 right here. I have a pig soup right here. Hainanese chicken rice, curry chicken noodles. On first impression, the seats and table look pretty new nowadays. You know, it's like January they reopened the public, so it's just a few weeks, no? Now it's the 21st of January. The fishball, beef noodle, laksa. And over there we have the Boon Mala Hot Pot. Lots of people, man, but still a lot of seats because it's just like 5:30 p.m. Chaozhou, the fish porridge. Some of the Teochew fish here. Red grouper, chili crab. Boon Lay Starting BBQ chicken wings. 90 cents for one, minimum 10 for takeaway. Such a fish soup right here. Batang fish soup. I think I start Vietnamese. Michelin spinach soup. Some BBQ stuff here. Competitors. Some drinks. Sugar cane and coconuts. Japanese food, man. Teriyaki, bento, saba fish stack. Vietnamese fusion, Viet fusion. At least one bowl minced meat noodle seems popular, man. The laksa, raw meat, meatball, 450 cents. Corporate stingray, kampong chicken rice. Western food lovers, you love here, man. Half chicken fried rice is just 50 cents. 孔子鸡, man, 250. Susa so kopi yung dia I think exploring so next go the other side. Banana leaf nasi lemak. And the Wei Shen food store. There's a chicken rice and char siu. Here's a nasi lemak. One bowl soya bean is next on the list. It's a nice name, man. Wonderful. Wonderful. But in English, it's wonderful, you know. Something is good. So, Yong Tao. For what? Fried Hokkien for me. Over there, you know, the beef, what, like video me. Boon Lay, mee goreng. Indian Muslim food. Prada. And more of it, man. Quite a few nothing much, you know, 20 cents, rojak, 450 onwards. Drink store, Sun Li Teng, satay. 日本的客家用豆腐嗰啲 fish other fish they call me bee hoon prawn noodles satay bee hoon Prada here, no? Boon power nasi lemak. Chai Sen right here, man. Lucky number 3636. Chinese zodiac 12 then. Good for photo taking or just admire them from here. 6 on which side? Find the snake, the dragon. It's a mouse, right? A rabbit. It's a rabbit. The next is a tiger. Next is a cow. And the red color one is a mouse. Then with the pig here. A doggy. Chicken. Monkey. That's a goat, right? And the last one is a horse. But it doesn't look like a horse, you know. A horse will look like this, right?